Understanding Vacuum Cleaning, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common household term, vacuum cleaning. Understanding this phrase is not only useful for day-to-day conversations but also helps in getting a glimpse of cultural practices in English-speaking countries. So, let's dive in. Vacuum cleaning refers to the process of using a vacuum cleaner, a device that uses an air pump to create a partial vacuum to suck up dust and dirt, usually from floors and sometimes from other surfaces as well. The collected dirt is either sent to a dust bag or a cyclone for later disposal. Understanding the different parts of a vacuum cleaner is crucial. The main components include suction motor. This creates the vacuum to pull in dirt and debris. Filter system. It traps dust particles, preventing them from being released back into the air. Dust bag or cyclone chamber, where the collected dirt is stored. Hose and attachments. These are various tools for cleaning different surfaces, like carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and even narrow crevices. Here's a step-by-step guide to vacuum cleaning. 1. Plug in the vacuum cleaner and switch it on. 2. Use the appropriate attachment for the surface you're cleaning. 3. Move the vacuum back and forth over the surface to collect dirt. 4. Empty the dust bag or cyclone chamber as needed. 5. Once done, turn off the vacuum cleaner and unplug it. Regular maintenance. Keep your vacuum cleaner in good condition by regularly cleaning its filters and checking for clogs. Right attachment. Use the correct attachment for each surface for the best cleaning results. Systematic approach. Clean in a pattern to ensure you don't miss spots. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding what vacuum cleaning is all about. Remember, it's not just about cleaning. It's about maintaining a healthy living environment. Happy cleaning and happy learning!